boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar, Chris Stapleton. And this song is called Think I'm in Love with You. Okay, so very easy song to play, this one. And we have only 4 chords, 3 main chords that goes almost from the beginning till the very end. So we'll take a look at this one together. Capo set on the 2nd fret, that's the easy scenario here, easy chords. So capo on 2nd, let's go with the chords first. We have E minor to start with. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. D next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. These are the 3 main chords, and then we need to add B7 is used only once in this song. So it's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 2nd fret, you bar all strings here except from the last E in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. And there you have your B7. All right, so we will take a look at this song, and like I said, E minor, D, and A minor, there you have your main chords, and you can strum in 2 different ways. So let's grab E minor here and go with the first version of it, so to speak. I illustrated both versions here in the intro of this tutorial here. So we'll take a look at the first one, more based upon the rhythm, okay? So one round will be down, down, clap, down. Like that, okay? So down, down, clap, down. Down, down, clap, down. All right, so a couple rounds of it will be that. All right, the second version of it could be to just replace the clap with a down, and now you can play the first 2 downs more on the bass strings, and now the down where you replaced with the clap, you play more on the top strings down here, and then on the 4th down you go back to the bass. So it will be bass, bass, top, bass, like this. A couple rounds of it will be so you can go either way here, or why not alternate these ways of playing. So the main thing here is to play E minor for 2 string rounds, D for 2 string rounds, and A minor 4 string rounds. So a couple rounds of that will be E minor, D, and A minor. 3, 4 again. Alright, so there you have perhaps 95% of this song, but then at 1 minute and 24 seconds into this song, there's somewhat of a bridge part there coming in, and this is where you need to use the B7, okay? So here you're gonna play A minor, 4 string rounds, then E minor, 4 string rounds, then back to A minor, 4 rounds, and then you play the B7 4 rounds. As soon as you play the B7 4 rounds, comes somewhat of a solo part or instrumental part, not covered in this tutorial, but you can just have a break there and then you will go back to the main part again. E minor 2, D2, and A minor 4. But anyway, let's play this bridge part. A minor 4, E minor 4, A minor 4, and B7, 4, like this. And then back to. And this will continue till the very end. So that pretty much covers Chris Stapleton's Think I'm in Love with You. I think so, actually, all of you subscribers. So anyway, thank you for all the support, guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? And perhaps if you love this tutorial, thumb up this one, and see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.